Hello, my name is Amir from Skills Impact, and in this video we are going to learn that how we can use Microsoft Excel in our smartphones. We will see that how to do data entry, use formulas and functions, and create and format tables in the Excel. We will also learn one of the greatest features of the Microsoft Excel that is only available in the smartphone version. So let's first download and install the Microsoft application in our smartphones for 100% free. This application is available for Android as well as iPhone users. I will download it from the Android's Play Store. To download the Microsoft Office in your smartphone, you have to open the Play Store. In Play Store, you just have to search Microsoft Office and you will find this application in your mobile. Download the application and then tap here on open to open the application. So we have opened the application. Before using the Microsoft Office products like Word, Excel and PowerPoint, we have to sign up. We can sign up for 100% free in this application. So for sign up, we have to tap here. Now we will tap here on connect your account. Now from here we can sign in if we already have a Microsoft account. If you don't have any Microsoft account, then you can tap here on create one. I have successfully created the account. You can see here all the information of the created account. If you are feeling difficulty in creating the account, then watch the suggested video to activate the Office successfully in your smartphone. Now let's go back. We will tap here on this plus sign. Now here you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Forms. We will tap here on Excel. In Excel, you can see here three options: Scan Table, Blank Workbook and Create from Template. We will first tap here on Blank Workbook. This is the Excel sheet. If you want to type anything in the cell, then you just have to double tap and now you can type anything. For example, I type here 1 and press enter. Now you can see that I have typed a number. Similarly, you can type here text and just press enter. In the smartphone version of Microsoft Excel, you can also find different ways to navigate in the Microsoft Excel sheet. To navigate on the right side, you can tap here, and to the left side, you can tap here. And for downward, you can tap on the enter button. The keyboard that you are seeing on your screen is the default keyboard of my smartphone. There is also a built-in keyboard of Microsoft Excel. For that, you have to tap here. Here, you can find all the important options of Microsoft Excel. When you will tap here, you will find other options. To open the smartphone's default keyboard, you again have to tap here, and now you have navigated on the default keyboard. Selection of the cells in this mobile version is also very simple. For example, I want to select these specific cells, so I will tap here and I will just tap here on this circle and move. So here you can see that I have selected the specific area in the Excel. Now here you can find different options like cut, copy, and here you can find comments, clear, fill, and edit. You may be wondering that where's the ribbon in the mobile version. For example, the home menu, insert menu, and other such menus. For them, we have to close the keyboard. And here at the bottom, you can find different options. Here's the second option. We will tap here. And now we will just tap on open ribbon. Now we will tap here. Here you can find all the options like home, insert, draw, formulas, data, review, and view. Now let's go in Home tab. In Home tab, you can find all the options like bold, italic, underline, borders, fill color, font color, and here are some alignment options, merge and center, and different other options that are available in the PC version. Let's apply one of the options. For example, I select these cells, the cell A1, B1, and C1, and I will use here merge and center. So I will just tap here. Here you can see that the cells have been merged and the number has moved at the center. You can also undo and redo the actions. You just have to tap here and you can see our actions are undoing. To redo, we will tap here. Now let's see that how we can use formulas and functions in the mobile version. First, I will type here some numbers. Now let's type here a sum formula. So we'll first type here equal. Now let's open the built-in keyboard. Type here sum bracket. Now let's select the cell that sum is required. Again tap here and close the bracket. Now just tap here. So here's the sum of all the above cells. Instead of typing a formula or function, you can use all the functions that are available in the Excel sheet. So again, we will go here in ribbon and in menu, we will tap here on formulas. Now here you can find all the formulas and functions. I want auto sum formulas, so I will tap here. Here you can find sum formula, average, count number, maximum and minimum formulas. Now let's talk about one of the greatest features of the smartphone version of Microsoft Office. Let's close this. Now we will tap here on this plus sign. We will go here in Excel. We have used blank workbook option. Now we'll use scan table option. So we'll tap here on scan table. So this is the table that we want to scan and want to insert in Excel. Here you can see that Excel has recognized this table. Now we'll just tap here on continue. Excel is suggesting us that all the highlighted cell have some mistakes. So let's see that what are the mistakes. In number 2, the subject I is missing. So we'll tap here, tap on edit and type here I. Tap done. So now there is no any mistake. Let's tap on open to open this table in Microsoft Excel. Here it is asking us that 9 items need your review. These items are correct. So we'll just tap here on open in any way. Here you can see the table has inserted. Now let's do some editing. First we will select the whole table. Now let's do some editing. Let's first increase the size of the columns. So to increase the size of this column, I will just tap here and increase the size. Now we will align the text in this table. So I will select whole table first. After selecting, I will go here in ribbon, go in home tab, and then I will align the text. So the text has been aligned. Now let's convert this text into table. So to convert this text into table, we again have to select the text. After selecting the text, we have to go here in ribbon. In ribbon, we have to go here in insert tab and we will tap here on table. When you will select any cell inside the table and you will go here in menu, you will find here another extra tab with name table. So we'll just tap here and here you will find all the options related to table. For example, you can insert the row and columns inside this table. You can delete rows and columns. You can delete the whole table. And from here, you can add the features in this table. For example, I don't want the header row. So I will just tap here and the header row will be vanished. Now let's see that how we can save this project. To save the project, we have to tap here on these 3 dots. And here you can find options like save, save as and print. You can print the document by just connecting your printer with the mobile. You can also share your document by just tapping here and here you will find different options to share your document. You can share the link of the document, share it as attachment. When you will tap here on share it as attachment, then here you can find what type of attachment you want to share, a workbook or a PDF. For example, I want to share a PDF, so I will tap here. Now you can see that our Excel worksheet is converting into a PDF. And now I can share it on WhatsApp, Gmail, Drive, and I can also share it by using Bluetooth connection. Please subscribe our YouTube channel if this video has added value to your skills. That's all for this video.